Loads can be resistive, inductive, capacitive, or mixed type. Real load behavior is typically more complex. They can be dynamic and various. GW-Instek DC electronic load can emulate such as constant current, CC, constant resistance, CR, constant voltage, CV, dynamic and short circuit load. AC electronic load can emulate more like crest factor, CF, power factor PF and short circuit load. GW-Instek launches 20 models of the AEL 5000 series AC-DC electronic loads depending on the power range. The power range of a single unit is from 1,875 watts to 22,500 watts, and up to 8 units can be connected in parallel. The maximum power of a single-phase parallel connection can reach 180 kilowatts, and the total power of three-phase can reach 540 kilowatts, which are suitable for UPS, inverter/breaker, AC power source, battery, fuse/breaker DC power source, and other applications. CC, linear CC, CR, CV, CP and AC rectifier load mode. Turbo mode for 2 times the current and power of electronic load within 1 second. 3 units parallel up to 90 kilowatts and 3-phase or Y load connection can be synchronized control by 1 master unit. Loading and unloading angle control, 0-359 degree is settable. Positive half cycle or negative half cycle loading. Supports SCR/triac current phase modulation waveforms, 90 degree trailing edge and leading edge.